Hello, I've got this Sorbolene bottle with the pump on the top, but that pump has stopped working. I've double checked that it's in the open position, and that's all okay. So when I try and pump now, it just won't push down, nothing happens. So today I'm going to show you a simple way to fix that problem, which is just to undo the pump there, and I've got a tap here of warm water, so I'll put that pump into the warm water and then see if there we go, take off the tube on the bottom and then just put it in there, wash it around and start pumping. And you can see there that it's starting to pump through. That warm water is pumping through the little pump and cleaning it all out. You do that a few times, and once you're happy with it, then connect the tube up again. It's good to do it in a big tub like this because there's a lot of mess. Like that, a big bucket, push that back together and start pumping as well, and you can see that it's all that sort of the white of the Sorbolene cream is coming through now, and it's the pump is working perfectly. And once you're happy with it, once you feel it's nice and clean, you can see it all the Sorbolene's gone from there. Then just reconnect it in your Sorbolene container. Give it a few pumps to begin with, because the first few pumps is going to be still pretty watery as it comes out, and then still pretty watery, and then once you've got nice thick Sorbolene cream out, then you can give that a wipe down, put it back on the shelf, and it's ready to use next time. Okay, well, that's a simple way to fix one of these pumps that has stopped working. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.